Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create this look. This year, for the holiday season, I decided to do something different. I decided to do something glittery, but not too glittery. I love how I'm describing my looks. Glittery, but not too glittery. You like it? Because it's the most glittery time of the year. We can't just not wear glitter. We're not that kind of people. We don't want to offend the Christmas spirit. But anyways, hope you guys like this look and let's just jump right into it. With this whole lockdown and stuff, I don't really have anything new to talk about. The most interesting thing that happened to me today was that I bit my tongue. And it was painful. Oh god, it was painful. I've never bit my tongue so bad before. Yeah. Felt painful. It's still a little bit numb. Anyways, I'm taking some concealer on the back of my hand. Well, that's not exactly on the back of my hand, but it's on my hand. If you're wearing long sleeves, please don't do that. I'm gonna take some of that concealer and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. Now, you don't want to use too much product because spoiler alert, spoiler alert, I can never say that. Spoiler alert. You're gonna wipe most of it off, so don't use too much product. You just wanna have a nice, smooth, clean base for your eyeshadows. I have a pimple on my eyelid. Thank you for the wonderful Christmas gift, skin. Pimple on the eyelid. How did you even know that this was exactly what I wanted? Hashtag so lucky. Anyways, moving on. Something that you won't see in any other tutorial here on YouTube. Well, maybe you will. I don't know. I haven't watched all of them. But that concealer on the back of your hand, wipe it off, my friends. If you have some of that concealer left on the back of your hand, wipe it off. And trust me, because if you don't, it will end all over your clothes, all over your desk, all over your cat. These two palettes by Zwiva, the packagings are kind of similar. The colors inside are also kind of similar. I like both of them, to be honest with you. I mean, the colors are kind of different, but the theme is pretty much the same. Neutrals. We all love neutrals. The one is selected with love, the other one is selected with taste. Let's go with the taste one. So the first color that I'm gonna take is going to be this one here, Universal Delight. And we're gonna add that here in the inner corner and drag it all the way through the crease. Now I'm gonna take Finish Sensual with maybe Start Soft. I'm gonna use the same brush for this. And again, we're starting from the inner corner here and blending it all the way through the crease. You want to have most of the product in this part of your eye, this inner crease area here. And the reason that we're adding those eyeshadows here is to create contrast, because once we add the glitter, this eyeshadow here will create contrast and it will make the glitter to pop out even more. And you can kind of use whatever you have on your brush to extend it like this, like a wing. Whoop. I will switch to a smaller brush. This is a brush that I have no idea where it came from. There is no brand's name, there is no anything, but it looks like the Morphe M506 brush. They're very similar. And I'm gonna take some of this shade right here. Now, if you look at it, it looks brown with some gold shimmers in it. However, if I take it on a fluffy brush and I start blending it into my skin, you can't really see those shimmers, which works perfectly for me. And again, I'm adding it in this inner corner here, blending it across the crease, just whatever I have left on my brush. Again, most of the product should be in this area here. If you get this eyeshadow on a flat brush, you spray it with some setting spray, you'll be able to see those shimmers when you apply them on your skin. But if you take it on a blending brush and you start buffing it into your skin, they won't really show. Which, to be honest with you, I like that. Now I'm going back to that previous big blending brush that I used, and I'm just gonna go over that brown eyeshadow just to make it look a little bit more soft, a little bit more blended. I like my hair like this today. It looks very put together. Who am I? What happened to me? My hair is never put together. So for this part, you need some glitter glue and some glitters. You can't do that without any glitters. I'm using very affordable glitters and glitter glue. These are both by BH Cosmetics. The glitter that I'm using today is in the shade Smoky Gold. For this part, you probably will need the tiniest little brush that you have. I'm using the Morphe... Whoa! Wow! That's a long name for a brush. I feel like I'm gonna summon the god of brushes if I pronounce that. M170-4SH. I'm gonna take some glitter glue on my brush. Look how tiny it is, it's so adorable. It's kinda ironical because this is my tiniest brush, but it has the longest name of all of my brushes. Anyways, let me explain what we're doing. So basically, you wanna look straight up and you wanna start applying that glitter glue slightly above your crease. Create a guideline for yourself and kind of follow it with your brush. I didn't explain that really well, huh? What you want to achieve is that you want, when you have your eyes open, to be able to see some of that glitter. Now load that brush with some glitter and start pressing it right on top of it. Right on top of that glitter glue. Oh, so beautiful. Next thing that you want to do is take a Q-tip or just a makeup wipe, a baby wipe, whatever you have that you can use to wipe off some of that glitter. I'm gonna use a Q-tip for this one with some micellar water, and I'll go ahead and start removing some of that glitter. You know what? I feel like a baby wipe works really well. It actually works better than that Q-tip because I can use my nail to kind of create a sharp edge, and by using my nail I can also create a sharp line here. That's exactly what you want to do. You want to clean the bottom part of that glitter. Create as sharp, as crisp line as possible. You want to have something like this. Now I'm going to take a little bit more concealer on a flat, clean brush, and we're going to clean that bottom part here. Now don't worry if you have a few glitters on your eyelids like that. It's okay, it's fine, let them be there. And you can use your sponge to fade it out and blend it out. Make sure that you don't touch with your sponge the glitters. I don't know if you guys can hear, my earrings make some noises sometimes. This... Wow, it just occurred to me. Oh my god, that's brilliant. I like how I'm making compliments to myself. If there is someone that you don't like and you want to avoid them at all costs, buy them earrings like this, because you'll be able to hear them approach. You'll be able to hear them coming to you from far away. This will be the warning signal. Change direction, change sidewalk, get out of the kitchen. They're coming. Best marketing ever. Buy them at only $9.99 at... Hold on. These were actually a gift from my boyfriend. No, I'm just kidding. This was so appropriate. I'm sorry, you guys. It was just a joke. They were not a gift from my boyfriend. I don't know where I got this from. Maybe from Boho. Maybe from Pretty Little Thing. Anyways, what I was doing, what we were talking about, I forgot. Oh yeah, makeup tutorial. Yes, that's what you came for. So I'm gonna take the shade called Wax Paper, and I'm gonna use it to set my concealer in place. Again, try not to cover the glitters. That will not only brighten up my eyelid, but it will also lock the concealer in place. I'm also going to take some of that same eyeshadow and bring it on my brow bone. You might need to kind of blend it out. Okay, this next step is also very interesting. I wanted to show you guys these products for a very long time. I'm not sure if I've used them in a video before, but they're absolutely awesome. I'm talking about these Nabla Cupid's Arrow. They're like eye pencils. I have a black one and a, oops, I almost dropped that, and a brown one. I love the brown one. Today I'm gonna use the black one for the first time. But here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna apply some of that brown liner very closely to my lashes in the outer half of my lash line. And then very quickly I will go ahead and start blending it out. Like this. I want to do a smoky winged eyeliner. So as you can tell, I'm also extending it into a wing like this. Okay, something like this. It definitely doesn't look perfect, but we're gonna work on that. If you don't have a brown pencil like this, you can also use some of the eyeshadows. If I didn't have that pencil, I would take some of this eyeshadow, probably mix it with some of the brown one. But since I have that pencil already on, the reason that I'm applying those eyeshadows on top of it is because that will set it in place and it will make it more long lasting. Oh, that brush was actually from Morphe. The one that I was telling you that I don't see the name. It's Morphe. So many Morphe brushes today. I'm gonna load it with some of that white camera. I'm gonna load it with some of that white eyeshadow from the palette. And I'll start diffusing this upper edge here. This might take you a few minutes. You have to be a little bit patient with this. You can kind of pull your eyelid up like this with your eyebrow. Just raise your eyebrow. Raise your eyebrow. And this will stretch your skin, which will make it easier for you to blend. Okay, now switching to the black pencil. If you don't have black pencil, just use some black eyeshadow for this. And with this part, we want to be very precise, very careful. I really like these pencils because they're so creamy, so easy to blend. And they also give you time to blend them before drying out completely. So that's nice. Oh, wow, so satisfying. I'm cleaning this outer edge here. Oh, nice. Alright, I did some blending off camera, you guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. The eyeliner is very time consuming. If you're a perfectionist, smoky eyeliner is probably your worst nightmare. But if you're a perfectionist that enjoys the blending process, you'll absolutely love it. Going back to that eyeshadow palette by Zoeva, and I'm gonna take a mixture of Finish Sensual and Edible Gem. Alright, and I'm placing this here under my lower lashes. I'm gonna take some of that white eyeshadow from the palette and applying it right here. Next up, I'm adding the falsies, and you see how the falsies take this look to the next level of glam. Oh my god, this look makes me look like I have my life under control. On the scale of glam, if this look was like 8 without lashes, now with lashes on, it's like 18. Guys, this is a lipstick that was sent to me, and when I first received it, I was like, how do we open that? What is this? I was very confused, trust me. The packaging is so weird. But let me show you. Here we have this little button, and if I press it, check it out. Oh! I was like, you have to be kidding me. This is the best lipstick packaging ever. And if you want to close it, you just do this. Click, it's closed. So I was so impressed with the packaging, but then I saw the lipstick and it blew my mind. It's a red lipstick with shimmers. Oh, it's so pigmented and so creamy. I think that it's just the top layer covered with shimmers, because see on the top where I rub it on my lips, there are no shimmers anymore. Look how pigmented it is. Boom! Just one layer. Okay, let me add some lip pencil. To be honest with you, I was expecting both red glittery lips today. I only got the red without the glitters, but I really like the formula. I really like how soft, how creamy it feels on the lips, and the packaging is also... Oh, I want more creative packagings like this. I'm gonna finish up this look with some nude lip pencil in my waterline. Oh yeah, oh yeah. For those of you who think, oh my god, I got glitter all over my contour. Don't leave your glitter open, you guys. Always put the cap on. My shirt. Look at all that glitter on my shirt. Oh no. If you have glitter on your shirt, on your desk, or anywhere that you don't want to have glitter, get one of those. You can just do this, and all the glitter is gone. If you want to do this glitter liner the easy way, you can just take one of those glitter liners. They're so easy to use, you won't need glitter glue, you can just done. They will definitely save you some time. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, you already know what to do. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, because that's the best you can do if you want to support me, my channel, and everything that I do. I also have a second channel here on YouTube, which is about food, gaming, and random stuff. I also post on Instagram, Facebook, rarely on Twitter, but hey, you can find me on there too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!